Hey everyone, for this video I will show you how to connect Google Tasks to Notion. First, head into your Notion account and make database by clicking Add New. This is if you don't have a page yet where you want to put your Google Task. Going back, click on Empty Database, then name it however you want. After that, go to your Zapier account, click on Create, and select Zaps. For trigger 1, choose Google Task. On the trigger event, select New Task, then connect your Google account. Allow it, and it's now connected. Then click Continue. Next, for the task list, select the task you want to integrate and continue. Then test your trigger. Click Continue with the selected record. Now for trigger 2, choose Notion. For action event, select Create Database Item. Then connect your account. Here, you will be asked to select pages. Just select the page where you want to put it. Then allow access and continue. Now for database, select your page. For the name, select the title as well as for the content. Then continue and test step. Now click Publish. And your Google Task is now connected to your Notion. You can see it now to your Notion. You can edit it by adding a checkbox so that you can mark it when done. Now test it. Go to your Google Task and type in a new task. Then go back to Zapier and click on Run. Now you'll see that the new task is added. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.